anything you have ever lost in the transition season of your life, anything you've ever lost, anything the devil stole from your children, from your marriage, from your career, from your business, the devil is alive. I announce, let it be restored. Let it be restored. Oh my God, I don't know why the Lord is leading me this way. But as your two hands are lifted, you are that generation. You are that generation that will correct the corruption in your bloodline. Whatever the devil has corrupted with high blood pressure, whatever the devil corrupted with heart failure, any corruption in your bloodline, any corruption in your bloodline, any corruption in your bloodline, corruption in your organ, corruption in your tissue, corruption with patterns, corruption with cycle, for them that be of you, they will rebuild the old ways places. You are that generation. Corruption of delay, corruption of women not getting married on time, corruption of obituary. Ayabala, Ayakatutata, Erakepata, Opurataka, Alakanaba, Rabianaba, Rakotabada, Usukurabana, Rakadabiana, Ushakata. Ushakatada, Orababa, Ayaya, Ushakota, Alabiana, Shabana.